about awareness, how judgments play in our lives, and the freedom that can be found through life coaching. Over the last 20 years, I've worked with people in a variety of ways to see a healthier community be built. My journey has taken me over various paths through agriculture to radio, IT industries, to life coaching and mental health. And like you, I've seen some very exciting and successful times. At the same time, I've seen some very challenging and dark days, dealing with depression, self-worth, bankruptcy in business, and even the painful process of divorce. I am a proud dad of 4 amazing children, and here at the kitchen table I enjoy working with teenagers, young adults with career choices, and couples as well. My passion is to see people find their true identity, overcome any blocks that are in their way, and find fulfillment in whatever they may want to put their hands to. The more I do this work, the more I find out that we're very similar. There's not much difference between us. I've heard it said that we were created for greatness, but we were programmed to fail. And one of the ways I feel we were programmed to fail is in the way we make judgments. We're walking judgment machines, constantly making small, sometimes big judgments, consciously and most of the time, unconsciously. And a judgment is just a decision made based on evidence that has been collected or adopted. As in a court of law, you have a judge who sits and listens to 2 sides that present evidence, present their case, and the judge holds that against a standard, maybe a set of laws that have been adopted by the people, so a verdict is passed down. In our personal lives, when we cast judgment, we become judge that looks at the evidence that we've collected over the years and have adopted. Maybe it was in the household that we grew up in, or the school, or the church we attended, maybe from our peers. In Recall Healing, we talk about some of that stuff passing down through generations. And the Bible even talks about that passing through generations as well. So we collect evidence, and it starts to sculpt our world, and we form beliefs. And we hold others to that standard and start to judge them because we hold ourselves to that standard and are highly judgmental of ourselves as well. So it's very important to start to become aware of what judgments are we making. If left unchecked, we wonder why relationships drift and offenses are made. It doesn't have to be something big like murder, saying murder is wrong. It could be something like, I don't like them because they look a certain way, or they don't like me because I live in a certain area, or why do they have to make so much money? They need to make more money. Why didn't they answer my phone call? They must hate me now. So little judgments lead to big offenses. The Bible talks about judge not lest you be judged, and take the plank out of your own eye before you reach over and take the speck out of someone else's eye. So it calls us to awareness and change, because the measure we hold or give ourselves is the measure we will give others. So the big question is, what are we giving others?